My name is Dongkai Yang. I worked in Beihang University, School of Electronic and Information Engineering from 2000 after my PhD degree. After that, I worked in Singapore Nanyang Technological University for about 2 years. Now I'm a full professor in our school. Actually, from my PhD, I worked on satellite navigation area supervised by my tutor, Professor Zhang. The time is from 1997, and I worked from that time up to now around 20 years. This satellite navigation has many applications area. For my personal background, I'm from communication engineering discipline. So the data processing on the satellite navigation signal, which is radio signals from the satellite in space. So this is one of most topics on this GNSS area. Besides this data processing topic, the application side is the most important one, which is close to the market or the users or the customers. So even the applications topic is quite open to everyone. So our Journal of Global Positioning Systems want to do more to make more people to know more knowledge on satellite navigation technologies. 20 years ago, I worked on the GPS receiver design and its applications on car navigation systems. But now I worked more on Beidou, which is our Chinese own satellite navigation system. And for the receiver design, for Beidou compatible with GPS and GLONASS and Galileo is my research topic. My another research in this area is GNSS-R, which means the reflections signals from the Earth's surface are used for remote sensing applications. For example, if we get the reflected signals from the ocean surface, we could use the signal to do the wind detection, including the typhoon. For the GNSS-R, some physical parameters like wind speed, like soil moisture, has been applied in the real engineering project. For the satellite-based applications through the GNSS-R technologies, they have not been applied now, but in the future, we will use this kind of technology. From my personal opinion, as a new researcher, the applications, I think, is the most important direction. For example, the Beidou now is regional satellite navigation systems. But after 2020, Beidou satellite navigation system will cover the globe. So the new researchers could pay much attention on these Beidou technologies and its applications. It is because that Beidou has more capabilities than GPS and Galileo or GLONASS. As one case, the Beidou satellite navigation system could provide communication link for the users, even there is no mobile communications signals. So I think the new researchers could spend some time to work on Beidou. And for the user's terminal, which is receiver, the researchers could work on the compatible GNSS receiver, which means not only GPS signals, but also GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou signals could be collected for the high performance applications. So I think it's very good for Spring to publish more high quality papers for the researchers. As Beidou satellite navigation systems has a hybrid constellation, including GEO, MEO, and AGSO. So this kind of constellation configuration could provide a good geometry for GSSR technologies and its applications. For example, if we want to fix the one area for the remote sensing applications, we can use the GEO satellite signals and the fixed GNSS-R specific receiver to do that. So I think it's a good research topic and research direction. I hope more and more new researchers could work on this area. Springer is a very famous publishing house, and 20 years ago, I'm a new researcher on GNSS field. I get a lot of materials from the publishing house, Spring, and I think there's many digital channels for the academic papers or academic articles for the new researchers to collect or to download.